Ndiyathemba niyaphila. Sizawuqala into entsha ngoku. So we're gonna start something new, and I think this is gonna be something that's gonna continue into other categories of this easy isiXhosa tutorials, and that's noun classes. So basically I'm gonna start doing more grammatical stuff to help you guys to get a better grasp of the language, because obviously the videos we've done so far have just been basic, like standalone videos, whereas this is something more academic, but it's necessary if you want to speak the language with more confidence. It's invaluable, like you can't do without it. And Xhosa is a sort of language that you can learn by the book, and if you put in the hours and you learn, you will understand the language. So I highly recommend you do that. First thing, I'll put maybe a link or some information about this book. I already mentioned it in one of my other videos. The video is titled Easy isiXhosa Learning Materials or something like that. You can also find it on my videos, 5 resources to learn isiXhosa. But this one is also really important, guys. It's Xhosa for Second Language Learners by Alexandra, Bryant. So you would do really well to get this book if you're gonna not make a video, I'm making a video. If you're gonna actually learn the language properly. It's got everything you need to know, guys. It's, how many pages is this thing? Yeah, like 250 pages long with all the grammar and everything that you need to know. So yeah, I'd highly advise you get a copy of this, and all the tables and stuff that I use in these videos are basically just scans from that book. So yeah, the next thing is here you can see I'll overlay this table here with all the noun classes. So this is just an overview, and then in the following videos that will be in this playlist, they will go into more depth into each of the noun classes, so that you can see examples and what noun classes actually are. But what you can also do is just write these down. Take the time, just pause the video and then just make a record for yourself of all these noun classes and memorize them, guys. It's not that hard. You see, I've also got my little cheat sheet here, so that I can also just make sure that I'm giving you guys exactly the right information. But yeah, and I'll go along with you guys. So yeah, basically the classes are more or less coupled into singular and plural, and then there are also other trends within the classes that one can also observe. But at the same time, there's also exceptions that might actually surprise you. So you need to learn these off by heart if you're going to completely grasp the rules of the noun classes. But the exceptions are more uncommon. Most of it is quite easy to understand. And so yeah, like class 1 and 2 go together. And this is on page 26 of this book, guys, and it's very well explained. So classes 1 and 2 are basically exclusively for nouns that are human related. So like the example I've got in the table is ubuntu, which is class 1, and then class 2 corresponds with class 1. It's the plural. So basically, from what I can see, the classes with even numbers are the plural classes, and the ones with odd numbers are the singular classes, excluding class 14 and 15. Those are a bit more unusual, and we'll get to those, later on. But yeah, so class 1 and class 2 are basically human nouns. So the example I've got there is ubuntu, which means person, and then for class 2 it's ubuntu, which means people. And then for classes 1 and 1a are very similar. They also mostly people, although there are some other ones. So yeah, I'm just going to keep the basics and then we'll go more depth into the other ones. So for class 1 and 1A it's umama and o mama. Class 3 and class 4, classes 3 and 4 are mainly non-human, but they also have the prefix so it's not just u. So those are non-human, and then yeah, like most of the other ones are non-human, guys. Class 5 and 6 go together, 3 and 4 go together, so you can see how that sort of works out, and you can see it in the table, the grayed out ones, like I've tried to show which ones are connected. So yeah guys, first things first, just write these down and then maybe save the playlist. I've got this playlist, this is the first video in the playlist of about 8 or 9 videos going through each of the classes. So just save the playlist to your YouTube so that you can keep coming back and work through it, because you're not going to be able to do it all at once. And yeah, also please guys, just hit the subscribe button, because obviously if you're wanting to learn a language, it's going to take a period of time. So subscribe and then to my channel, and then you can keep up with the videos. And if you hit the subscribe button, which is like the red button underneath the video, or if you're on a computer you can click the logo in the bottom right hand corner. Then after that, click the bell symbol, guys. Then you'll get notified when I upload a new video, so that you just keep up to date. Maybe you forget about Xhosa for a while and then you get that notification and it gets you back into it again. And then just comment if you've got any questions, and yeah, if you enjoyed it, then just hit the like button, and yeah, that's it guys. So Njabulela, thank you for watching, and yeah, let's keep going on this Xhosa journey guys. Blessings to you.